By the end of this video, you will know how to add your Wise card to Google Wallet. Start by signing in to your Wise account. Once you are in, look to the left sidebar and click Cards. This opens the section where your available Wise cards are listed. If you have more than one card, make sure you select the one you want to add to Google Wallet before you continue. After you open the card you want, go into the card details. In some accounts, you may see an Add to Google Wallet option right there. If that option is not available, stay in the card details and copy the card information you will need for manual entry. You are looking for your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Keep that information available so you can enter it in the next part without needing to switch back and forth too much. Next, open Google Wallet on your device. Once Google Wallet is open, look for the option to add a new card or payment method. Tap or click Add Payment Method to begin entering your Wise card details. Now enter the information from your Wise card carefully. Type in the card number exactly as shown, then add the expiration date and CVV. After that, enter the billing address linked to the Wise card. Make sure the billing address matches the one on your Wise account, because a mismatch here can prevent the card from being accepted. When all of the fields are filled in, review the details on the screen. Check the card number, the expiration date, and the billing address for any typing errors. If everything looks correct, click Save and continue. At this point, Wise or Google may ask you to complete a verification step. Follow whatever prompt appears on screen. Depending on your setup, this could involve confirming the card through your Wise account or approving a security check from Google. If a loading screen appears for a moment, wait for it to finish and then continue with the confirmation. Once verification is complete, look for confirmation inside Google Wallet that the card has been added. You should see your Wise card listed as a payment method after the process finishes. If the card appears there, the setup is complete and your card is ready to use through Google Wallet where supported. That covers the full process from signing in to Wise, locating your card, entering the details in Google Wallet, and completing verification. If you did not see the direct add to Google Wallet option in Wise, the manual entry method gets you to the same result as long as the card information and billing address are entered correctly. Your Wise card is now added to Google Wallet.